Hello, Dr. Darleen Wodzenski here, talking about the human superpowers. People ask, what is that about? If any of you have done any of our trainings, you know that I talk all the time about human superpowers because it turns out that the human being is equipped with all these amazing restorative, healing, self-regenerating, self-repairing capacities. It is the most amazing thing in the world. But sometimes I think we forget about it and we look for solutions. We look for therapies and medications and interventions, and all that can be good and some of it might be necessary. But I would rather evoke the human superpower of healing and restoration before I would want to go in and do intervention therapy and medication. Some of the human superpowers are compassion, hope, love, kindness, self-awareness, mindfulness, metacognition, theory of mind. These are just a few of the things that we work on. And by the time we're done working with our clients, whether they're children or adults, they are better versions of themselves. So, human superpower, that's what we call those innate capacities that each of us have in order to make ourselves better versions. We may evoke a neuroplastic response in the brain and combinations of neural pathways that allow an individual to do something that their brain just didn't do on its own naturally. Or we may teach an individual a capacity or a focus or attentional thing that the individual can do that they weren't able to do before. These are all examples of human superpowers. And as far as we're concerned at Orchard Human Services, it is the reason that we're here. It's the reason we serve the public, helping them encounter their own inner human superpower, their own inner ability to heal, restore, self-repair, self-maintain. This is Dr. Darleen Wodzenski talking a little bit about human superpowers.